vaccine was tested on nearly 44,000 people across 6 different countries. The finding has everyone talking about it based on an analysis of 94 trial participants who contracted COVID-19. There were no notable safety concerns discovered. But whilst the scientific community has shown cautious optimism, the capacity of the drug to provide protection in the long term has yet to be tested. Henry Ian has been watching all those stock market movements for us in the Asian session. Henry?
Yes, good morning, Christine. So Asian stocks extend a global rally this morning on hopes that the vaccine could end the worst pandemic in a century. Well, shares rose sharply here in Singapore, Japan, and Australia, and are seeing only marginal gains in South Korea. Now it's down by nearly 0.1%. Well, in the meantime, the vaccine news only made small efforts to cheer Chinese investors this morning as the weighed down by worries that Shanghai confirmed its first new COVID-19 case in 5 months, and although stocks in Hong Kong are largely tracking their regional peers, now up by around 1%. Now, amid the new progress on the COVID-19 vaccine, investors are rushing to buy travel-related stocks. So a successful vaccine would be good news for airlines, railways, hotels, and other travel-related businesses that have suffered amid the virus. The big winner today, of course, is AirAsia. We're seeing AirAsia shares up by around 29% and AirAsia X shares up by a whopping 75%. In the meantime, shares of Singapore Airlines and Korean Air are also pairing some gains this morning. However, on the flip side, stay-at-home plays declined this morning as the new vaccine could dent the demand boost we saw for internet companies, game makers, as well as delivery services. We're seeing that Nintendo shares down by around 5%, and Zozo, which is a delivery company, also down by around 7%, and Mercari, a Japanese delivery company, down by 9.12%, and Domino Pizza in Australia also down by around 12% this morning. Christine.
Many thanks for that, Henry. We'll hear from you in a short time from now as well. But the US presidential election is now over, and Wall Street's attention is firmly on the prospects